Welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Insightly CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you upload or import your contacts into your Insightly CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to import your contacts into Insightly CRM? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's pretty common for you to switch over to service providers. You need to bring your contacts into Insightly. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Insightly dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my account, and this is the home screen. Here in the home screen, if you want to import or upload your contacts into Insightly CRM, here on the left side, you're going to click on Contacts. Once you click there, you're going to see all of your contacts inside Insightly CRM. But to import or upload your contacts from a spreadsheet, here on the right side, you're going to click on Import Contacts. Okay, guys. So the cool thing about Insightly is you can actually import your contacts a number of different ways. So here you can import Google contacts from MailChimp, from Outlook, Act9. However, today we're going to go ahead and upload a spreadsheet of your contacts. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this option right here. Okay, next the screen pops up, so you want to go ahead and select the file right here. They do let you know you can import up to 50,000 records in one file, so just kind of keep that in mind. Okay, so I have my contact list right here, so I'm going to click on Next. Okay, so next what you want to do is go ahead and choose the import action. Are you adding new records? Are you just updating current records? Are you adding new records and also updating existing records? For me, I'm going to go ahead and add new records. Next, you want to click on the blue Next button here on the bottom. Okay, so here you want to go ahead and map out the information. So this looks like it detected pretty good. One of them that looks like it didn't detect, this is a county, not a state or province. So I'm going to click on, it looks like they don't have county, and that's okay. So we can go ahead and do not import this field. And let me go ahead and click on this. This is just their first name. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Go ahead and click on Start This Import. Quick second later, I'm going to see this pop up. It just disappeared really quickly, but it lets you know that your contacts that you were importing have been updated. So that was just a fake list with about 8 different people on it. So if you have a huge list, it's probably going to take longer. That one for me only took about 30 seconds. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to import or upload your contacts into your Insightly CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.